All right, look at this deliciousness right here. This is my pickle smash burger. I'm gonna show you how I made it. I woke in the middle of the night with this yummy idea for pickle smash burgers. So I'm gonna head out to the Flatrock Griddle, griddle them up, but first I'm gonna prepare them inside. I'm going with 6 mini smash burgers, like slider buns basically. These are Hawaiian rolls, so tasty. And I'm gonna make, obviously, 6 burgers out of 1 pound of ground beef, which is gonna be the perfect slider size, but also it's gonna line up perfectly with the size of the pickles. So let's just go ahead and get rolling on this. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna go in there with is a little bit of garlic salt and fresh pepper. Well, I guess not fresh pepper. I gifted myself a thing of already cracked pepper because I felt like it was consuming so much time in my life to freshly crack it. I know that probably sounds ridiculous, but for little quick recipes like this, I have now moved on to coarse ground black pepper, and I'm sure it'll be fine. You know, sometimes I just kind of wing it and I don't measure, but for today, for your honor, just so you can recreate this at home exactly as I do, I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And next I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Now I'm a huge garlic salt lover. If you haven't been here before, that's kind of a theme on this page. You use as much as you'd like or just some regular salt. Worked out yesterday, my muscles are a little sore, a little hard putting on the apron, because I'm so hungry for these smash burgers now. Thank you, muscles. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna use my hands to form 6 balls. I'm not gonna flatten them out just yet. I'm gonna do that on the griddle outside. So I'm gonna make 6 balls of burger meat, and then we're gonna go outside. These are looking great. Now it is time just to prep our pickles before we go outside. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God, my arm is like, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my God. Holy moly. Oh my God, I think I just pulled something in my neck. Oh my God, pickle juice, pickle juice. Now I like to head out to the griddle with all my supplies lined up. It's definitely what you should do so you're organized and you can just get out there and griddle quickly. So I'm gonna bring out a little bit more salt and pepper that I'm gonna throw on the Flatrock when it's time to smash the burgers down. And then I'm also gonna bring out some butter and a little bit of oil so we are good to go. And of course my buns. These are just Hawaiian rolls. I'm gonna slice them in half so I can griddle up the inside. I love a good toasted roll. All right, let's griddle. The first thing I'm throwing down are these sliced tomatoes. These off the grill because they're looking good. Yummy. All right, I am super pleased with how those yummy tomatoes turned out. Now I'm gonna turn my attention to the buns, baby. But the buns I'm gonna actually put down in the same spot so they soak up some of that yummy flavor. And I might add a little bit of olive oil just to make sure that they, you know, get a little roughness to them. I like the inside of the buns toasted so they're, you know, toasted. You get it? time has come. It is officially smash burger time. Pickle smash burger on the griddle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first lay down a little more butter, then I'm gonna hit some pickles in little sections on the grill. I have the grill, it's gonna be on medium heat. Again, sometimes I turn it up or down depending on how fast I'm cooking, how things are going, what my attention span is for the minute. So we're gonna start on medium and go from there. So what I'm gonna do is put down the butter, then the pickles. I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper, then I'll smash each burger on top, and it's gonna go quickly. That's why I'm chatting with you now. Let's do it. All right, I turned the heat down to medium-low just so I have sufficient time to get these on here. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ugh. Okay, that's good. Good enough. Whew, that looks so freaking delicious. Pickle smash burger ready to be in my mouth. Just so you know, if you're making this, I would have definitely, in hindsight, griddled up more pickles just the way they are, like a bunch of them, because I can just tell how they're caramelized a little bit on the Flatrock, that they are going to be so incredibly tasty. All right. Woohoo! Holy pickle! Oh my god. I don't normally do ketchup and mustard, but that with the pickle, I mean, it's so good. So yummy. The pickles are so good. Definitely, if you're making this recipe at home, up the griddled pickles. That's the lesson of the day. More griddled pickles. I already know it's delicious to brine things in pickle juice, so the pickle burger makes sense, all right? You heard it here first. Ah, perfection.